Hello, this is TLV here. I think this is gonna be really, I promise you, the last episode of the fourth. And then we're gonna do different stuff. Yeah, I rewrote the code I just fucked up, so I better not screw up again. I'm gonna. It's obviously I'm gonna do it. Zero if yes, please. Whew! Pressing enter. Pressing enter is scary. F1. Quarry left. Exit. Else. Last one. You can do it. Please, no mistakes here. Select one. Get the what did I do right now? Left, right. Okay, right. String compare. 0 if. Please. Quarry right. Exit. Yes. Else. Okay, now I have to close all these if loops, if statements here. Let's make sure I do this correct. Else again, right? Else just end this shit. Can't I just write it will go back into the let me think here. Do I really need to write this 4 times? Like wrong. Let me think about this 1 second. Be right back, be right back. Back again. So I know how I want this now. Let's just hope it works. Quarry right. Quarry left, quarry right. Let's go through them all. Quarry forward, quarry backwards, quarry left, quarry right, and exit. And else. The last else alternative. Character turn. Character return. Just one character turn. Should be fine. Or 2 maybe. Red. Incorrect selection. Try again. Oh, okay, and I want 2 character turns that there. Then we finish the last if statement. Then we finish. That's for quarry R, quarry left, quarry back, quarry forward. Oh, please let this work. Again. Again? Seriously? Bomb. Is that what I intended to do? Yes, okay. Quarry. I should have written down what I just did. I think it should be fine. Quarry. It's gonna crash. Oh, loading system. How deep do you want it to go? 1. First direction, how far from X? 1 block. Second, how far from Y? 1 block. Select direction. I want to go forward. Then left or right to the Y destinations. 1. Come on, come on, come on. 1. Fuck! This should glow 1 time as well. Oh! Really? And it crashed. Oh, so close. Oh, I wrote forward on. And I haven't added a forward. And I didn't save my system. I didn't save and it crashed. How much didn't I save? That's the question. I wrote quite a lot of stuff. Why don't I code off camera until I get this working? But basically you get the idea right now. Is it because the cable is are not connected? No, that shouldn't matter. Oh, fuck me. Oh, it's still going. It shouldn't still go. There's some begin loop that goes on forever here. It might be the last program, the quarry bit. Or the 1 or 2. It accesses all the programs like 5 layers deep, so that's good. I leave this for a while and we'll check in later. I need to take a little break and then I'll look at the code and I'll figure it out. So see you later. Be right back. Ooh, I'm quickly back again. And I think I found out what's wrong with my code before. It was that I hadn't defined my variables and I hadn't put them into strings, so it was just looping forever. I couldn't find any errors, but I did find that actually my Q back, L left, right, all these words, they had a wrong order. What I have done before was I wrote maybe M back, for example, Q back left here, M back, and then Y left, and then M back again, and then Y right. And that would move the quarry like this. If you look at the mouse here, it would move this is the middle, it would move the thing back, and then to the left, and then back, and then to the right, and back, and to the left. This is how it should go. Back, left, forward, left, back, left, forward, left. So that's what I'm changing now. I'm rewriting these words here. So this is the last word of these words. I'll write it and I will pause the recording again. So start with a begin again. And we do the back, Y right, compare, if, put 0 into Y temp, exit, else, then M forward, like I did before, just on top of this one, but Y right, Y compare, if 0 into Y temp, and we We exit that shit. Else, then again. So now I'm gonna continue with the rest of the words because it crashed before I had to actually had to rewrite all the other words as well. So if I get into anything that looks suspicious, I'll record again. So I'll be right back. Ooh, back again, and I found another bug in my program here. I was backtracking every little part of the program, and it worked. I was running M back, move left, and then I hit when I just I mean in this episode a little while ago when I freaked out and got a panic attack, I'd run the forward command, and that's the one that doesn't work for me, and I found out where it was. It's a typo. I did a typo, of course. I knew I would do a typo, and I mean, yeah, it's obvious. I will show you what kind of typo I did. So let's do that. I can't erase the words because then I will erase everything, right? So let's rewrite M forward. That's because that one had a typo. M4 forward. There we go. And first, this one begins with xtemp that we read. Put this tag and put it back into xtemp. And we'll begin our loop. Run the digger. 10.0 do. Now we check if the values are if to abort the loop or to continue. Check the x value. I'm checking my code here to the right. So this is where the bug was. Since the fourth doesn't show me which line, like in C++ or Java or anything, it will show me on which line the code can't run. But I mean, the code ran because I had defined this value before. The spooky one here, if you can see the mouse. Temp. I had put temp here instead of xtemp, just in forward motion. So it just ran forever, and that's it. Xtemp. I brought temp before, so that's why the forward motion didn't work. Xtemp, and that should be alright with string compare. If it's 0, we leave the loop to trick the program to be able to leave within a do loop, within a while loop. Begin is a while loop, so there's a while loop here into a do loop and a if, so we're 3 levels deep, so we want to leave this loop. Leave. Else we xtemp, we take the value and we increment it, move the mouse a little, put it back into xtemp, and no fucking regular temp. Fuck temp. Seems like I'm not using it. And we do 1 forward. Yes. Then we loop that shit. And we check again, because my program will be able to run whatever you put in, run as many blocks as you want to, even though it only digs 10 by 10. So this is the point of these checks all the time. So it checks xtemp, put it on the stack, what's in the address, and put what's in the x value. Doesn't really matter which order here for these guys. And we do a string comparison. If it's 0, put a 0 back into xtemp. There we go, I think. And we exit as well. And else, then again. Alright, so that I have rewritten forward now, and I save this guy. FQ2 test. And I will continue to rewrite what we wrote before that I accidentally, when the computer crashed, what I erased. So I'll be back in a little while once I get back to where we were. Be right back. I'm back coding the last part, the last bit. Got define my strings, my variables. Do the last part bit again here. It's not gonna take long. I already got the F here, checking for F. Now let's do select, else select, and we'll do the forward backwards. Check that. String compare. And if it's 0, we run map 2 and quarry backwards. Exit. Else we do. What do we do else? Yeah, we do select one read. I did define this variable as well. I'm gonna save this time. And we do left. Check that one. String compare. If it's 0. And let's do map 1 and quarry left. Exit. Oh, else. Let's see. Select 1. Read. And R, I think that's the last one. Whew. String compare. No. If it's 0, do map 1. I haven't forgotten any exit, right? I did forget one exit before as well, so then it would have run an infinite loop as well. Map 1, quarry, right. Quarrier. Do I really have that one defined? Did I make that word? I guess we know now when I press enter. Okay, maybe we did. Or I redid it, basically. Exit, else, character return. Incorrect selection. Try again. Character return. We end that one. Then we end the next one. Let's check my paper. That one. Then we end the third one. Then we end the fifth one. The fourth one. Better. I need some chill out music now. Oh. There we go. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exit. Save. Let's call it Frame Quarry 2 test. Oh yeah, save. Oh. And now we need to do something else here. We need to do like this, like I didn't do before. F, read, F. So we want the value, the binary value of F inside F. That's how we can compare it later. So it's not some random value into F. Because we are actually comparing strings. So it should... Let's see... Yeah, I think so. Hopefully. B read B. L read L. R, read R. Now we are read those guys. And yeah. And then we read into select. Yeah. That should be alright. That should be alright. Just save it one more time. Just in case. Frame Quarry 2. Test. Let's try the IOX. Check here. Ooh, it's from the last crash maybe. 0 IOX. What's on the stack? Fuck me. That's a lot of stack. Ah, that's from reading all that shit. Two more. Come on, empty that shit. Oh, so let's do one forward, for example. Forward. Perfect. We'll do one left. Left. I think I need to rewrite these words. They're a little fast. As long as it works, I can write. These are really simple, the simplest words. At least they're not inside the bigger programs. It's just a few lines. And right. Yeah. One right. Yeah. Good. Stretching my arms a little. It's gonna fail, fucking fail on me. Let's check X temp. It's 0. Let's check Y temp. It's 0. Everything is 0. Let's check regular temp in case I use that one. It's a lot of shit. I don't think I'm using that variable. Otherwise I have saved it and it should work. Let's do left one, okay? Shit. Let's run the quarry. How deep? We want 1 deep. Let's do 2 in the X. And 1 in Y. Direction, let's go left. Do we want first left, then Y, or backwards or forwards? So left or mine like this. No, mine like this. 1. Okay, digging. Only 1 time here. Up with the arm. Left 1. 2. Forward. Why did it do 2x? Oh, I put in 2x. It works! Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, fuck me. That was intense. That was probably my first and last time with fourth. No, we should never say like that. Who knows? So let's go and put these into transmitters. I need a little break now, I think. So mission successful, and let's put it back into the next episode. Next episode sounds about right. Sounds good. And so this has been, if you can watch my code, or you can skip these 4th episodes, if you just want to see it in action. If you want to learn how to code this, you can follow my episodes, and you can forward through them like really fast, or you can watch them slowly. And but remember to check my later, in the end when I fix my bugs and stuff. I hope you do the same. Maybe I'll put some annotations in the videos or something. But Here's the full package, how to build that 6-axis frame quarry that can move in any direction, plus the coding. So all in one package, that's what you get at my channel. Then it's up to you which part you want to watch. So that has been cool, and yeah, let's do this in the next episode. Didn't crash, let's check the stack. Was that the word from before? Yeah, that was the X temp, I think. So it doesn't even leave any trace on the... Yeah, and if you really liked it, subscribe to my channel. I mean, I don't have many subscribers. Like, I never ask for any subscribers either, but I do spend a lot of time on these videos, and it would be nice with some more subscribers actually. And you can request on my videos what I should do, and maybe I will do it, or if I find it interesting, basically. So let's continue later with more cool stuff. So see you guys in the next episode. Bye for now.